According to the EPA, Americans only recycled 35% of their total garbage generated. Recycling just 10 water bottles can save enough energy to power a laptop for over 25 hours. We can do so much better than 35% if we educate our community. At the Waste Reduction Art Project, our core mission is to raise awareness of our global ecology crisis through art. Whether it's through reclaimed wood, scrap metal, or used paper, our artists create inspiring works that acknowledge the human experience. Instilling sustainable practices and recycling behaviors to protect our planet is important for all generations, but our youth is especially important to educate because it is they who will inherit the planet in the years to come. In this example, Derek Gores teaches participants of our remote workshops, powered by Zoom, how to create a paper collage using magazines, a glue stick, and a pen from home. Anyone can participate in these artful workshops, and no previous experience is necessary. By creating art from what would otherwise end up in a landfill, we are forging stronger characters and helping the earth. We'd love to bring our programming to your school so both students and faculty alike can build their creative prowess while saving the planet. Please reach out to contact@rapnow.org for more information on how to engage.